Welcome back to the channel. It's Nigel from Adventure Caravanners. Today I'm going to be doing a video because I've been asked how do I prepare our caravan for the winter period. So it's going to be a quick video on winterising stroke preparing our caravan for the winter. So stay tuned.
You know how to work it. Work it.
Okay, once I'm happy, like I said, that the caravan has been thoroughly cleaned outside and in, the next item I look at is the draining system in the caravan. And by that I mean the actual taps and the water system. There is various products on the market. The one which I've used is the Floe Caravan draining kit. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase one. There is various videos of YouTube is what I've done a video on that, and I'll again leave you a link down below so you can have a look at that. It's very straightforward to do. So I look at the draining system, draining excess water from the caravan, so obviously once it freezes it doesn't damage the pipes at all. So once I'm happy that the draining system, and I've taken that extra little bit of water out of the pipes, I then leave the pipes and the taps open in the kitchen area, the bathroom area, and also the shower taps in the open position. So once I'm happy that that's all been done, and I'm happy that the drainage system's all been taken care of, I then look at air getting into the caravan. Now, I'm going to show you a before and obviously afterwards, but what I'm going to let you have a look at is the caravan in the position it is now, and then I'm going to let you have a look at it once I've ventilated the caravan so air can travel throughout the caravan to eliminate any sort of any damp or any mold or anything like that, because there's going to be air circulating throughout the cupboards, throughout the chair, and in the bedroom and toilet area. So stay tuned. Okay, like I said, this is the caravan ready to be prepared for the winter, and to get the easiest way of getting a lot of air and ventilation into the caravan is what I'm going to be showing you in a minute. I'm just going to let you have a look round at how the caravan is at the moment. And again, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do if you're new to caravanning. This is my advice, what we do, what we've done for years in our Tourer caravans. Okay, so I'm now going to show you how we prepare for air ventilation to go through the caravan throughout the winter period. Like I said, to stop your caravan from getting damp and obviously mould setting in. So stay tuned. Okay, just a couple of things I need to tell you outside the caravan. If you have your caravan in the storage, it's worth perhaps jacking up your alloy wheels, your tyres, but obviously we have the ability of having ours in the back garden. So what I do with this caravan is every 2 weeks I place a marker, say here, some tape, and basically I move the caravan wheel completely 360, and every 2 weeks I keep moving the caravan either forward or back, giving it a really good run for 5 or 10 minutes, and then putting the tyre in the opposite direction of where the marker is, so that the tyres get used. I'm now just going to show you one other feature for winterising your caravan. and that is the gas bottle area, which is here. Some people like to take the gas pipe off. I tend to leave that on, and I basically just make sure that the on and off gas supply is on the off position, and I'm happy that the gas is off. The final thing I just want to show you and let you have a look at is obviously the battery area. Now, we're quite fortunate because our caravan, like I said, lives in the back garden, so every 2 weeks I switch on the caravan for between 6 and 8 hours. So every fortnightly it goes on for 6 to 8 hours with the central heating on. Keep that battery and also inside the caravan nice and warm and topped up. So I'll show you that now. Okay, you've got the leisure battery here. Like I say, if you've got your caravan on a storage pitch and it's not at home or in your back garden, then I would really think about taking your battery home or putting it on some sort of trickle charge to protect your battery, because they are expensive. But like I said, we plug ours in from the mains onto the caravan every fortnightly for 6 to 8 hours, so we don't need to do that. But if you've got your caravan in the storage and it's not at home, or my advice would be try and invest in taking this battery home and investing in a trickle charger. The other thing, like I said, I've done a previous vlog on the Dometic covers. Have a look at that. Again, I like to put these on when it gets between -2, -3. It's getting very cold now. Again, these covers, like on a previous vlog, will protect your caravan from insects, bugs, climate, and also it'll protect your fridge inside. So I'm now going to let you have a look at the end result when we've finished, and how I've got the caravan inside or winterized for the winter period. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm just going to take you back into the lounge area now. Now I've finished outside, and I'm going to now show you how we actually leave the caravan when it's winterized or preparing for winter. Like I said, I've lifted up all the cushions and I've evenly put them, not touching each other, away from each other and the window, and they're all obviously well ventilated, and there's you can see the set of drawers there. We have left them nicely open so air can ventilate inside. I've got the cupboards, as you can see, out of the overhead storage cupboards, I've got them in the open position as well. I'll just finish off, and the cupboards down below, the storage cupboards at the bottom, as you can see, and to leave them open as well, so ventilation's going throughout at least the front of the van and to the rear of the van. Coming into the kitchen area again, I leave the fridge. As you can see, the fridge door and the utility drawer is open. We've got the cooker, obviously the grill and the oven open. Coming across to the display table here, again that's all open. There's a storage cupboard which is open above as well. Another thing I would remind everyone, obviously new to caravanning, if you've got a carbon monoxide alarm, take that battery out and also test it once you begin the season again. Just take you into the bathroom area and show you that. As you can see, there's a cupboard open straight away. We've got a nice little storage cupboard there, like a bit of wardrobe, which is empty, and obviously this is left open as well, so there's ventilation going inside there. And I'll just take you into the bedroom area. As you can see, the transverse, the island bed is lifted up and left in that position. The television point cupboards are left open, the floor storage cupboard and display cupboards are open, and also I tend to leave these drawers open as well. And if you look above, the 3 overhead storage lockers are fully open as well, and that's done on both sides of the island bed. So there's plenty of ventilation coming in here, but like I mentioned before, every sort of fortnightly the caravan is switched on for 6 to 8 hours anyway, with the heating switched on. So I'm pretty happy that the caravan has been properly winterised and prepared for the winter. Okay, that was just an overview and a quick video on how we winterise and prepare our caravan for winter. I was predominantly looking at new to caravanners, this video was for, and those that have just purchased the caravan. And all I like to say is, like everyone else, I hope everything goes well on the 2nd of December and everything's lifted. Thank God for rugby, snooker and Formula 1. And I'm looking forward to Wigan playing Saints this coming Friday. Come on, Wigan. All I like to say is, if you like the channel, please give it the thumbs up, please like, and please consider subscribing to the channel, because it helps it grow. And finally, keep safe and well, and thanks very much for watching. Till the next time, bye bye for now.